In NBS Create, you are able to convert matching clauses into a table format or schedule, i.e. clauses that share the same classification number. This is useful if you have many different types of the same product in one system or specified across a number of different systems throughout your project. Here we can see 3 product clauses which can be converted into a schedule. One is a standard NBS clause, one is a manufacturer's NBS Plus clause, and one is where we have added a custom manufacturer. They all share the same section and clause number, but each has a different type item and suffix. To convert the 3 clauses into a schedule or table, you can either right-click on the title of the clause and click Schedule this clause, or use the ribbon by clicking on the Insert tab and clicking on the Schedule Clause button. The software then converts the information into a tabular format and removes the text from the system, replacing it with a link to the newly created schedule. The clause types are listed horizontally across the top, and the clause items on the left vertically. It is possible to change this arrangement by using the Transpose Axes button in the ribbon or by right-clicking on the title box. The schedule has the date at the top and the screen name of the person who created it. It also has the date it was last modified and by whom, and also the last time it was checked out and by whom, with the email address for that person. The table is fully editable. You can still use the value lists as they are shown here. You can also add more clauses of the same type into the specification at any time, and they will be automatically added to both the job and the schedule. Any of the clause items that were parked in the job will be shown as greyed out boxes in the schedule, which cannot be edited. To turn the schedule back into clauses and return the content to the system, you can use the Unschedule button in the ribbon or right-click on the title of any of the clauses and select Unschedule. It is also likely that you will have some matching product clauses used across a number of different systems. Here, there are 3 systems with different versions of the copper pipelines clause. I can choose to schedule the clause from one instance, and then in all of the systems it will now say as copper pipelines schedule. Wherever you have a number of matching clauses, you can pull them all into one schedule. Schedules are treated as a separate entity when it comes to the document and are not automatically included when printing or exporting the specification. We will look at the options for including schedules in the exported document in a later module. You can convert matching clauses into table format for comparison purposes and then convert it back into specification format.